Often when I'm in a collaboration, I get a comment saying, I wish I could be in a collaboration, or gosh, that looks fun. How do I be part of it? Well, so it got me thinking. And for October, I want to have one day, October 18th, where we're going to do Pumpkin Palooza. And on that day, there are certain key channels that will be participating. We have Sutton's Days, Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen, Tulilu Creates, Linda's Pantry, Freedom Homestead, Fermented Homestead, In the Kitchen with Karen, Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, Bland's Promised Land Ranch, The Organized Pineapple, Diane the Canning Nana, Mennonite Farmhouse, Tony Kettle Kitchen, and Ormsby Farm. But in addition to these fantastic channels, I want to invite any of you watching this video, if you want to post a video on Tuesday, October 18th, making a pumpkin recipe, has to include pumpkin, and you put in the hashtag Pumpkin Palooza, I will collect all of those, including the ones made by the channels I just mentioned, the next day, and put them in a Pumpkin Palooza playlist. So you too can be part of this. I think this is going to be a lot of fun, and I am sure many of you have fantastic pumpkin recipes. So I invite you all to participate. Let's have some fun with pumpkin. On October 18th, Tuesday, we're going to do Pumpkin Palooza. If you are participating, just make sure you do that hashtag Pumpkin Palooza and put your recipe in the description box below your video. And that's it. And you can be part of Pumpkin Palooza. So let's have fun. See you on Tuesday, October 18th.